this video, we are going to learn how to add students to your overall roster so that they can later be sorted into classes. Let's begin by going to your Students tab. You can see that I've already added students as part of my roster, but if I want to add more, there are currently two ways in which to do so. First, I go up to the top right corner and click the Add button. You can see I can add students by their school email or by sharing a code. Clicking by school email is going to be much quicker for the students when they first sign up for a student account in SAM Studio, because you as their teacher are verifying that they're in your class. If you have many students, this may take a bit of time, so consider adding your students prior to class that day. From here, you can add one student or several students by having a comma in between the emails. Once you click Add, you'll notice that the students pop up in your overall roster. The second way to share is by sharing your class code, going to Add and Share Code. Again, you will have to verify, so it may be better to share this code through your digital classroom, class newsletter, or LMS ahead of time so that you can accept students into your class without needing to use instructional time to do so. Once the students have entered this code when they are prompted when they first sign up, or they can go to their Settings tab and enter it here under Requested to join a class, their name will pop up under the Pending Students tab. Here I have a sample student already who's entered the class code. From this point, you can glance through your list and click either Accept or Delete. Once you click Accept, that student will move over to your active students list. Now, once you have all of your students inside your roster, they are ready to be added to different class sections.